Grammar is easy when we explain it with the daily life. Yes, we have already discussed noun, but today we are going to discuss pronoun. Do you know noun is the naming word, name of things, name of animals, name of places. But what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. But how? Just we talk about Sarah. Sarah is eating food. Sarah is going to school. Sarah is making dinner. So in place of Sarah, repeatedly instead of writing we used she. Sarah is a girl. She is eating food. Yes, he is making dinner. He is going to school. How beautifully pronouns are made. So in the same case, in place of a boy, we will use he. In place of animals and thing, we use it. And in place of you and your friend, you will use we. And in place of the other people, a group of people, you will use they. And pronouns which are used in place of a person, we say it personal pronoun. Repeat with me. Personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they all are personal pronouns. Okay, tell me. She is going to the market, which is personal pronoun she. Very good. Let's have some fill in the blanks. Dash is my book. You will use here it is my book.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Don't forget to tap subscribe, hit like, and share this video with your buddies. Stay tuned with Creative Kids.